Hey guys, today we're going to look at how to use the image gallery in the app platform. Okay, so first thing you do is you find the image gallery. It's listed underneath customers, image gallery, and you can see I've got a bunch of images already uploaded here. So firstly, you can add images two ways, add new here or add multiple. There's both the way to add an image. Adding new is just a single image. So when you click that button, you're able to pick one image, choose the file, give it a caption, there's some details you can put in there. If you hit the add multiple, you can add 10 images at a time. Okay. Choose your file, your caption, and your details right here, and you're adding 10 at a time. Coming back to your gallery here, so you've got all of these images now in your database. You're also able to do what we call create tabs. Now, what the tabs does is it organizes the images you have. You've uploaded into different galleries. Okay, so you can see what we've done here. We've got a sale tab. Got a men's collection, we've got a women's collection. So what happens when you hit the add new button, this screen pops up. You're able to upload an image here. Sizing is right here. You can see that image right there, and then all of the images in your gallery will show here. Okay, so when you see this, we've added a sales section, so you can now go in here and check off which images you want to include in this specific gallery. So when someone touches opens the gallery tab that says sale, they will find only these images inside that thing. So it enables you to segment your data, your gallery database. Okay, so again, here we go. We've got sale, we've got men's collections, women's collections. This is obviously for a clothing boutique. Same thing, you can upload different size images and pick the images you want in your tabs. Okay, so those are the image galleries in the image galleries, if you want to say. Okay, the way that you get it on your home screen now is, let's come to our home screen. Let's see if we've got a gallery button here somewhere already. We don't, so I'll just add it to this one right here. So you would obviously have some sort of an image gallery mapped out on your home screen, or a button on your home screen, and you would put it, as far as the functionality goes, you would come down here and select image gallery. Okay, so we've got image gallery and gallery tab. So if I selected image gallery, that will bring up all of my gallery images here. So I could put, for example, map it out. If I had a sale tab here, or a men's tab here, or a women's tab here, I could just go here, go to image gallery. Where is it? Image gallery, and now I can just select individually which ones I want to be showing inside this. So if it was a men's tab, for example, I would just come here and check off all the pieces that I want to be shown in my men's tab. Now, if I select gallery tab, hold on a second, I'm going to have to go back and activate those galleries. So if I go like this, like this, and come back to my settings, and let's do this one here. If I make this a gallery tab, right? You've got three you can choose from. You can't have you can't have all three, obviously. So this is a gallery. Actually, a gallery tab you would. So a gallery tab will open up a listing. So you click off this, this, and this, and what happens is when they went and click on the area here to go into your gallery tab, you will see a listing of these three galleries. You'll be able to click on sale, you'll be able to click on men's collection or women's collection. Okay, but make sure that these tabs have actual images inside them. If you haven't checked off any images, your gallery is obviously not going to work. Okay, just so you know. And essentially that's it. Very simple way to add images to your phone app, and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.